Have you ever explored traveling through someone else's experience? I have. Let me explain. My friend Gladys and her husband travels around the world. And she posts her adventure in social media. I love that because I get to see these amazing places through these pictures. On her last trip to Canada, she bought this souvenir, but she thought it was missing something. So she wanted me to add something more, so let me show you how I personalize it for her. Welcome to Uri Design Studio. I'm so glad you're here. Let me share with you how you can do this as well. I'm using this engraving tool. It's by Plaid. Very inexpensive. You can get it at any of your local craft shop. You can even get it at Walmart. The first thing I'm doing, I'm tracing the maple leaf on the belly of the moose. I'm using just pencil to trace the maple leaf. I cut this using my Cricut machine. Now another idea is to print a maple leaf from the internet on white paper and cut it to make your own cutout for the maple leaf. Now I'm using the engraver. I am going to engrave the maple leaf by following the lines and completely engrave all the inside of the maple leaf. I really enjoy using this tool, and the good thing is that you can use this with ceramic and glass as well. It brings 6 different tips for the different materials you can use this with. And to make sure that I don't lose the shape of the maple leaf, I'm going to go around the border with the pencil again, making sure that I stay in the shape. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I'm encouraging you to engrave and personalize something. And here is Gladys, all happy that I was able to accomplish the task. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, goodbye.